Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a table with basic HTML. And here I already added the title. We're gonna start with the table title. And font. I'm going to use blue. You can use any color you want, but I'm using blue. I'm gonna want everything to be centered, so I'm gonna use the center tag. Now we're gonna start with the table. Gonna make the table tag. Inside table, there's something called T-head, which means table header. Also than that, we have T-body, which means table body. And both of them you're gonna want to add and then body too. In T-head, there's something called TH, which means table header. You can just copy and paste that. And that goes on the top here. And say T-body, there's something called TD, which means table data. You can also copy and paste. So let's save and go to the browser. And now it looks more like a table. Now I'm just adding more content. You can copy and paste that. I'm going to do 3 times. You can do as much as you want. Now we just change the number names. This is random, by the way. So to add the border and these gaps, like this one, you can go to Sublime or any text editor you like. You can go to table and add border. I'm going to use 1. And it'll look like that. You can change it to anything like 7 or anything. It'll get bigger. But I'm just gonna use 1. So you can also add width. I'm going to use 500. And now it looks like that. You can also add height. For height, I'm using 200. like that. So that's it. This is how you make a table with basic HTML.